Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Your Fire TV or Amazon device is powered and on, and you are signed into your Amazon account. Make sure the remote has fresh batteries and you can access Wi-Fi. That prevents pairing timeouts. Once done, place the remote near the device so signals aren't obstructed, and locate the pairing button, usually on the back or inside the battery cover. This step gets you into pairing mode quickly and reduces connection errors later. Now you put the remote into pairing mode. Press and hold the home button for about 10 seconds until the LED blinks. That tells the device to advertise itself. On screen, go to Settings, then Controllers and Bluetooth devices, and choose Amazon Fire TV remotes. Select Add New Remote and watch for the remote's name to appear. This is the Discovery handshake. Make sure no other Bluetooth devices are actively pairing, because interference can cause the wrong device to connect. Finish by selecting the remote name on screen to complete pairing, then immediately test navigation, play /pause and volume so you catch problems now. If the remote doesn't appear, restart the Fire TV and the remote, wait 30 seconds, and retry because temporary glitches often resolve after a reboot. If that fails, swap batteries, perform a remote reset per your model, or re-register the Fire TV to your Amazon account. That usually clears persistent pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.